Hello friends, today we are going to learn about calculation of absolute maximum bending moment for given simply supported beam. The load system is as shown in the figure where 5 numbers of train load is going to be moved on the simply supported span of length 24 meter. It means that we have given the length of the span as 24 meter. We do not have given the section value as a x meter, so we have to find out the absolute maximum bending moment for this example. Now note that maximum absolute bending moment will occur only if the CG of this given loading system is at equidistance from CG of the span. It means that we have to first find out the CG of this total load. We have to put the CG distance such a way that it is at the equidistance of center of the span. So according to this statement, so let us understand this statement. For that, we have to find out the CG of the loading system. So let us assume that from A, the reaction is at distance x, hence if we take the moment and under the point A, which is equal to R into x, where R is equal to sigma W, which is equal to 80 plus 80 plus 200 plus 180 plus 20, which is equal to 660 kilonewton. Hence moment at A is 660 into x. Now for moment at A, due to the point load, which is equal to 80 into 2 plus 200 into 5 plus 180 into 8 plus 120 into 10. Now MA is equal to 660 into x. Let us calculate this value. Which is equal to 3800. It means that our x value is 5.76 meter. Now x indicates that the CG of the load system is at 5.76 meter. It means that from A it is as indicated location. So 2 plus 3 is a 5. So from 200 kilonewton load, our CG distance is 0.76 meter. Now this distance must be at the center of the span as a equidistance. It means that for given 24 meter span, if we take the center of the span at 12 meter, then the 200 kilonewton load must be placed at 0.76 by 2 as equidistance. It means that at a distance 0.38 meter from the center of the span. It means that the load is at 0.38 meter from the center. Now rest load is Now this maximum bending moment ordinate is x by L into L minus x, which is equal to 12 by 24 into 24 minus 12 as 6. Now taking similar triangle rule for the ordinate under the 200 kilonewton load as well as the rest of the loads are (5.81), 4.31, 3.31, 4.69 and 3.69 under the all loads as shown in the figure, and ordinates under each point is as shown in the IL diagram. So let us calculate the maximum bending moment as absolute moment, which is equal to load into ordinate for each load which is equal to 3058.6 kilonewton meter, which is known as absolute bending moment for given train load. Thank you.